Hello guys, this is Gabi Tech and this is part 2 of the majestic computer cleaning video. Because part 1 was very long time ago, you can check it in the description. I'll put link so you wouldn't forget what we are doing and with what we are doing it. This is air compressor by Black & Decker that we will use for our computer cleaning. I've introduced you the compressor in a couple of words in a previous video, and now we're gonna go and clean our computer because it's dusty hot summer. Of course, we don't forget our goggles and hat for safety first. Very nice. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Game on. Guys, as you see, this machine is amazing. It cleaned everything perfectly without any issues. No more money spending for spray cans that will just make your life complete expense. Just this little machine. You pay one time and then your computer gets cleaned every week, every month, as much as you want. You don't need to say, oh, my spray can finished, I need one more. You clean, even if you want to clean all day long, you can, but it's not good to do it more than 1 hour, just so you know, at least with this one, because it's a mini machine. Perfect, powerful. You saw the dust yourself. I don't know if you see it, but it was a lot, especially in the fans and the radiators. Be careful, guys. There are a lot of dust, especially summertime, and if you live in a big city like me. I live in Sofia, and this is not that big city as the New York, London, and the other big cities. So you definitely need this machine. Don't forget, get it, get one for yourself, and make your life complete and easy. Thank you very much for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, or no ice cream for you. Bam!